You're searching for the perfect home security system between Cove, Vivint, and ADT, and I found exactly what you need to know. I've analyzed pricing, features, customer complaints, and real user experiences across all three platforms. Stick around till the end because I'm revealing which system offers the absolute best value and which one you should run away from immediately. Let's start with Cove, the newcomer that's shaking up the industry. At just $17.99 per month for professional monitoring with no contracts whatsoever, Cove is the most affordable option here. Equipment packages range from $410 to $1,169. But here's the kicker, they're constantly running sales with up to 75% off. The standout feature? Complete DIY installation with lifetime warranty included. You get Alexa and Google integrations, but the equipment selection is more limited compared to the big players. Perfect if you want basic, reliable security without breaking the bank. Vivint commands $30 to $50 monthly, and the price difference shows immediately. This is professional-grade equipment with advanced smart home integration that actually works seamlessly. We're talking AI-powered cameras, smart locks, and automation that responds intelligently. But here's the reality check. You're locked into 3.5 to 5-year contracts unless you pay massive upfront costs. Professional installation is mandatory, and there's a $129 moving fee if you relocate. It's premium pricing for premium features. ADT comes in at $24.99 monthly, with equipment packages starting at $269. ADT scored an impressive 9.3 in recent customer satisfaction reviews. And here's what 150 years in business actually gets you. Rock-solid reliability that newer companies just can't match. The company offers professional installation, nationwide monitoring coverage, and equipment that's built to last years, not months. You're locked into contracts, which is the trade-off for their comprehensive service package, but you're getting a monitoring system that's been battle-tested over decades. Here's the honest breakdown. Cove wins for budget-conscious buyers who want quality without contracts. Vivint dominates if you want cutting-edge smart home technology, and money isn't your primary concern. ADT takes the crown for reliability and customer service. You pay slightly more, but get proven performance and flexibility. But here's what most reviews miss. The best choice depends on your specific situation and budget. Subscribe for more unbiased tech comparisons, and tell me in the comments which system matches your needs. Remember, the flashiest system isn't always the smartest choice for your wallet.